Here I have my 2014 Maserati Granturismo. I've had this car for 2 years now, and if I ask myself, would I still buy this car if I didn't have it? And the answer is yes. I would definitely buy it again. This car has been such an awesome car. It's really fun to drive. I feel like this car is like the last of its kind, being how it's naturally aspirated and everything else is going twin turbo. This is the last Maserati that will be naturally aspirated. I mean, just based on how everything else is going. And I think it'll be nostalgic at one point. To me, a naturally aspirated engine makes a great sound. That's one of the beautiful things about this car, is the awesome sound that it makes. It just adds to the driving experience. It's been a great car. I haven't had any issues with it, and that's the important part, that it hasn't had any issues. So it's been reliable. It's never had any warranty work, so that's a good thing. I did have a recall just recently for a reflash, something about the emissions, but that's it. It's just had its maintenance. Yeah, that's one of the great things about the Granturismo, that it seems to be a very reliable car. But I've talked to people that have the 08 models when I go to the car shows, 09s, and some of them have 50,000 miles on them without any issues. So if I didn't have this one, I would probably be looking for a 2018. I like the fact that the 2018 has the big center screen with the backup camera. That's the major part, the updated interior. And initially when I was shopping around, you know, I could have gotten a 2008 model, 2009, saved a lot of money, but I didn't really focus too much on the depreciation, because my intention from the very beginning was to keep this car for a long time. So that's why I shopped around for a 2013 and newer, because I like the front design of the 2013s and newer. So I really like the front bumper design. And on the seats, they also come as a whole one piece, versus the older ones. It had the headrest adjustable, and I didn't like that. So when I bought this car, it had warranty, the full bumper to bumper manufacturers. And for me, that was important, because I was spending a good bit of money. When I bought it 2 years ago, I bought it for $66,000. So we had a year and a half left of warranty back then. And I just wanted to have peace of mind, knowing that it wouldn't have any issues or any hidden problems. So if this car hadn't had a warranty, I definitely would have gotten a pre-purchase inspection, just in case there were any hidden problems that I just didn't spot. On the later models, I really wasn't seeing any issues with them, because that was one of the first things I was checking, what kind of history it had as far as warranty work, recall, stuff like that. So when I found this one that didn't have any issues, recalls, warranty work, and all the maintenance was done at the proper interval, I knew that it'd probably be a good car. And I like the combination, the color, the wheels, the carbon fiber. So all that added up, and that's why I decided to pull the trigger on this car. But yeah, if you're thinking about buying one, now that they have depreciated so much, you could pick up something like what I got for like 40-50 grand probably. Maybe the 2018s will depreciate a good bit, that it'd be worth stepping up to the 2018 models. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.